Hi everyone, my name is Evander Tan. Today I will present a summary of Walt Disney Company's first quarters of 2025 financial performance based on an article from Ventures published on May 7, 2025. The article highlights Disney's strong results, which were mainly driven by the resilience of its streaming service and steady growth in its US Plus and Experience division. Despite global economic challenge, Disney remains financially strong and confident. This is financial result of Disney. In the January to March 2025 quarter, Disney report adjusted earnings per share of $1.45, exceeding the analyst consensus of $1.20. Revenue rose 7% to $23.6 billion, beating expectations. Operating income for the quarter reached $4.4 billion. A major highlight is that Disney's streaming operating income, which increased sharply to $336 million from $47 million a year ago, reflecting successful price increase and strategic improvements. Next, Disney's growth in streaming and experience. Disney's streaming platform saw strong subscriber growth, with Disney Plus gaining 1.4 million new users and Hulu adding 1.1 million. Domestic Plus operating income rose by 13%. Disney announced plans to open a new theme park in Abu Dhabi, showing a clear strategy to expand its international footprint and strengthen its experience divisions. I am happy to share the key insights. One important insight I gained is that successful companies must actively adapt their business models when facing market change. Disney's move toward digital streaming and expanding experience while traditional media decline shows how essential it is to diversify revenue streams to survive economic uncertainty. I also learned that strategic innovation such as expanding Disney Plus, launching new cruise ships, and opening international parks helps protect financial resilience even during global slowdowns. This broader strategy allows companies to manage risk and unlock new growth. Certainly, I can apply these lessons to my future career by always using financial data to guide important decisions, not just relying on outdated business model. I learned that continuously analyzing financial report and performance and market trend can help identify when strategic shifts are needed. In the future, whether I work in finance, management, or entrepreneurship, I will focus on diversification strategies to reduce risk and look for innovative growth opportunities. Disney's examples shows that long-term success depends not just on reacting to change, but on leading it. Thank you. Now I'm happy to share that we have learned Disney's success this quarter highlights how strategic adaptation and revenue diversifications are essential for building long-term financial resilience. This approach not only secures short-term results but also positions companies for sustainable growth in a changing global market. Thank you.